Once upon a time in the mystical world of the Seven Dragon Ball, where powerful warriors and magical creatures roamed, a grand martial
Now we are seeing this is YouTube Goku Dragon Ball Story channel, and his channel monthly income generated more than $16,000 in advertising revenue, $200,000 in passive income a year. Then his channel, there are plays every day, more than 140,000 or even 200,000 views. We can see its channel. Its contents are all images from the Wukong anime story. These videos have very high views. Any video has millions of views. This video has 8 million views. So make a theme like this. His playback volume is very high. We randomly search for Wukong on YouTube. This keyword can be seen. The videos on it have a high number of views. So this video has 17 million views. You can watch this video anytime. Both have 3.8 million views. Can we do the same? The stories of these images of Wukong. Then we can use such an AI tool. Create it. I'm going to share it today. How to pass an AI tool to create an image of Wukong, to make animated videos, earn advertising revenue with YouTube. Let's start today's content now. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my latest share. We come to the AI toolbox. What I found was the chat tool. We enter the background of this chat. I want him to write a story about the story of Wukong participating in a martial arts conference. Write a story like this. You can see this story. We can all use this story to create videos. We can copy his every word to create content. There is a model of Wukong found here. We click to enter this model. Came to see this model. Then we click to create the same style. Then we pull down. There is a dialog box here. Here is your prompt for creating this image. How do you want to create a picture? There is no need to change the above parameters. We just need to put it in front of its parameters. Add us just above chat. The content of this story written by just inserted in, so I just copy. This paragraph should be placed in front of this paragraph. Then we have to choose. The ratio of this image is 3:2. The following parameters, just default, because what we are making is a horizontal screen video, so I chose 3:2. If you want to do vertical screen or make a short video, then we chose to do 3. It depends on what you choose. You let us just click to generate. You can generate a lot of these images. The effects of these pictures have been made here. Just download these pictures. See here, there is a download button to download it. After all our pictures are downloaded, after we click to open. So we only need to upload this image. He can convert this picture into animation. Next we click to upload this image. It will automatically recognize the content of your picture. We then just need to click upload. And we also need to pay attention when uploading. You can choose how long this video plays. You can set 6 seconds to be longer. This way it will play longer. Then I put the second picture. Same method. We have to choose 6 seconds. Select the changing situation here. If the value is larger, then the greater the extent of his changes. You want to save. In other words, you have to keep this picture. The greater the amplitude. Upload the picture and continue. We just need to take these videos. Already generated video. Download it all. There is a download button below. You can hear. See, there is a download button here. We just need to download. Just take this video. Download it. After all these videos are downloaded, we can come to the next step. Then we need to convert these texts into speech. This I just need to copy the content. We come to the AI toolbox. Found this website that converts text to speech for free. After coming in, you can freely choose the pronunciation of different templates above.
Be here now. Be someplace else later. Is that
Love all, trust a few, do wrong.
All our knowledge has a
life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
I heard this pronunciation. Very suitable for the content of my story. So I then deleted all the above content. Then paste it here. Then you can segment. Because he has a limit here, 2,500 character limit, I can generate it into times. Then I just click to generate this speech. We see this voice. The voice has been generated. A download button will appear from here. I'll click to download. We will need a software in the future. Then let's open a software CapCut. Upload all the materials we just had. Drag all this material in, then put in the voice just now. This audio is longer than the video material, so you need to generate more. These animated pictures, these animated videos need to be included. We need to convert these audios into subtitles. You can see here, there is a function that automatically converts subtitles. We choose this to automatically convert subtitles. After conversion, you can see the picture above comes to light, and the effect is very shocking. We can also give some shocking music. We can come here and have an audio.
They got it bad, but they just...
I choose this type of music to be more upbeat and more suitable, so I'll choose this one. Then we can adjust its volume, turn it down a little. We can adjust these subtitles. We can also give him dynamic subtitles. I saw a subtitle here. Then select a dynamic display. Choose this one. You can also adjust its size. Let's take a look. How is his effect?
Once upon a time in the mystical world of the Seven Dragon Ball, where powerful warriors and magical creatures roamed, a grand martial arts conference was convened. Fighters from across the realm gathered to showcase their skills, learn from one another, and compete for the title of the Grand Martial Arts Champion. Among the diverse participants was Wukong.
We made the video. Just click on the upper right corner to download it. You adjust a high definition for K video. Download and export it. In this way, through short videos, to publish. But what should be noted here is that when we make short videos, we need to keep them within 1 minute. That is, the length of your voice. To control a video within 1 minute, and its proportions. What we want to choose is the ratio of 9:16. Still, we can cut it to 9:16. Select 9:16, then confirm. In this case, the video will become 9:16. Some people don't like cutting, or you can keep the prototype like this. It depends on your own favorite style. If you want to cut it to 9:16, that's fine too. Then all you need is to make your own video. Upload to YouTube. Keep publishing your work. You can make the characters above. There are also Super Saiyan or other characters. All these characters in Wukong can be done. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.